Dubai's ultimate luxury home experience. Imagine a world where every detail defines elegance, where luxury awaits at every turn. Welcome to Dubai's ultimate luxury home experience. Dive into a realm where majestic residences reveal breathtaking cityscapes and private oases offer unrivaled exclusivity. This is where your dream home becomes a vibrant reality. Begin your journey among Dubai's architectural masterpieces, each home distinctively captivating. From sky-high penthouses offering panoramic views to sprawling beachfront villas, every property is an epitome of design excellence. Marvel at the fusion of modern sophistication and timeless beauty, crafted by the industry's most visionary architects. Step inside to discover interiors that redefine luxury. Lavish designs, bespoke furnishings, and visionary layouts combine to create spaces that are not only pleasing but deeply inspiring. Each room boasts unique artistic touches, seamlessly blending comfort and opulence to cultivate the ultimate sanctuary. Experience unparalleled amenities that set these homes apart. Private cinemas, state-of-the-art gyms, and infinity pools are just the beginning. Indulge in the seamless blend of technology and luxury, offering personalized services and the latest innovations to ensure every comfort is at your fingertips. Explore how these homes offer more than luxury. They offer a lifestyle. Envision days filled with bespoke services, private beaches, or elegant garden soirees. This is your invitation to live in harmony with elegance in a city renowned for its cosmopolitan charm and vibrant culture. The pinnacle of luxury living is within your reach. Begin your exclusive tour of Dubai's most opulent residences and experience the lifestyle reserved for life's connoisseurs. Seize this opportunity to invest not just in a home, but in a statement of grandeur. Make your dream home a luxurious reality today.